Good morning. This is a 16 by 40 high barn. As you can see, it looks fairly tall. We put a window up on the top there. We got some doors in here. We extended the sidewalls on this. There is a little bit of extra charge to doing that, but the guy is going to be using this as a cabin instead of having an RV there at the lake lot. They didn't want to they don't want to mess with an RV. They want to develop their lake lot, and they found an inexpensive way of doing it, buying a shed from Dakota Storage or a building from Dakota Storage and converting it into a cabin. So this is 16 wide, 40 feet long. We got insulated windows in there. They're gonna have a plumber come and plumb the bottom there. We helped them find the plumber, for showers and outlets and all these kind of things. And they're gonna take it out to their lake lot, set it down, or you can put it up on blocks. I just sold another one where a person is gonna block it up on blocks so he can plumb underneath it. The floor is gonna be insulated. Let me take you inside. Got it wrapped in house wrap in Tyvek. We put these trusses in, but if these braces in, but I know some people are going to put up walls, and then some of these braces can be taken out and basically finished out all the way to the top. As you can see here, the windows that we installed. I think the plumber is going to come on and install a tub right here in this corner. That's why this wall is insulated. But basically, here it looks. I think they're going to make a loft here, so these things are going to be taken out. We don't do any finishing on the inside, but it can be arranged for the customer to do it. But basically, this is how big it is. I'm standing in one corner. Make a nice cabin for somebody at the lake. I've seen drawings where they can put in 2 or 3 bedrooms, a kitchen and a living room, and 1 bathroom. So sky's the limit. All you need is creativity, and away you go. You got something figured out. This is not something that you can put together on a configurator. It has a bunch of customizable stuff on it, so something like that would have to be put together by the knowledgeable sales staff here at Dakota Storage Buildings. So feel free to give us a call if that's something that would interest you. Have a great day. Bye.